Hey, this is Western Virginia. This is my second bullet for the day. Been very, very slow. Just working some areas that we thought might have produced earlier, and it just didn't work out. So we're just kind of back goofing off right now. But just found a nice bullet. Looks maybe like a Burnside. All right. Hey, this is West Virginia. You can see the eagle button, and it's broke. Pulled it out of the hole and she came right apart. But you can see the eagle. That's the inside of the button. General service. There's the back. But it's a shame. Yeah, I pulled it out right here, and then I saw the button back, and I swept the hole again, and the eagle front was on it. Alright, West Virginia. Thanks for watching. Western Virginia, just dug this one right there. Sit. Slow day. Very slow. 3:17. We're losing daylight. Alright. Western Virginia, I just dug this cleaner bullet right here. The other bullet was right there on the other side of the fence. Just got that cleaner. Dug it right there. It's pretty deep. It's about shit, it was down here. About 6.5 inches. Alright. West Virginia. Just dug another one. I dug the cleaner right there. The other bullet right there, so 3 bullets in less than 5 minutes. This is a nice one. Nice drop bullet. Right out of that hole right there, pretty deep. Got the bottom down there, so it's about 8 inches. Alright, West Virginia. There's West Virginia. Just found another one. I kind of worked my way around that corner and found the 3 or 4 right there, and then jumped over and got this one here. This one was deep, guys. I mean, it was at the bottom of that hole, and that is the bottom, and it's still, look at it. I mean, that was deep. T2 hit it, so it didn't hit it hard, but it hit it. That's 9+ inches there. So anyway, I just pulled out. Yeah. All right, West Virginia. I just pulled this bullet out right here. It's either ringtail sharps or Richmond sharps. It's a nice bullet. That's about 6 inches in the ground. T2 hit it. Alright, thanks for watching.